Okay, so let's get started. I did like all of my foundation, and I will link that up below, but I did use the Charlotte, and in the other video I said I used the warm. I said I used the neutral, but it was really the warm. So this is a neutral color, and I just used the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I must say that these foundations for our color, for deeper skin tones, to me, they run red. So just be mindful. And I just did all of my makeup. It's all Charlotte except for the highlighter. Pretty much it's all Charlotte that I have on right now. And I have other videos of using all her products. So we're going to get into this palette, which is Exagger. This palette right here. It's for bigger, brighter eyes, bigger, brighter, bolder eyes. And we're going to use this today. And yeah, it's going to be walking you guys through this palette. So in these palettes, you get 4 colors. The one is the Prep, which is this first shimmery shade here. Large, Define, and Pop. They go in the 4 motion, which I've explained before, and I'll be doing it in this video. So we're going to do the first shade here, which is the all shimmer shade, and this is basically just going to be our eye primer, or prep. So this is like a built-in eye primer, and it's a shimmery shade, and it goes all over the eyes and also up to the brow bone and in the inner corner for the inner corner pop, as I'm going to show you right now. And I'm going to just really be heavy-handed and generous with it and pop it all over, even in my brow bone area. Always get it on my brow and put it right on the inner corner. It's going to give you that inner corner highlight. Say supermodel makeup to like the everyday woman who wants glam. Someone who wants glam but who doesn't wear makeup that much. You are not going to be getting like the cut crease type of look with Charlotte. And you see I'm just packing that on the inner corner. And how I'm just being very generous with this, okay? We have our first shade, our prep shade, our prime shade. Now we're going to take the second shade here, which is called the enlarge shade. Yes, it's what I call the enhancement shade, the enlarge. So it kind of goes clockwise. And we're going to throw this one, be generous as well. We're going to work our way in the crease. And this is going to be subtle. Even when I've done it on clients, it's been subtle, but you know, as our deeper skin. And I just put concealer and powder to prep my eyes. That is the base I'm using, just my concealer and powder. I like to take it, make sure I'm generous with my brush here, and I just go right, you see, right under my crease here, and just like do that. And you're probably like, girl, you ain't got nothing on. I do, you just can't see it. Going with that third shade, which is the enhancement shade, and I'm going to use her Smudger brush. This is going to, this is a more dense brush. It's very dense, so it's going to give us more of a definition. It's going to pick up more product. It's going to also lay the product differently. And I'm also going to turn my light down when I'm finished. So hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better. I'll just pop this right in the crease like this. Then I go back in with that blender brush and I add some more of that same shade we just put on the crease, and I just pop it right in and blend. As you guys can see, there is a certain way to use Charlotte's shadows, or you're probably going to be like, what is this? $53? What is this, ma'am? Super, super subtle. Now for the fun part, you're going to take your pop shade and you're going to use your index finger. I believe it's the index finger. See that? And we're going to pop it right on the eye. Exagger has one of the best pop shades ever. And her pop shades, allegedly, are supposed to be the most expensive eyeshadow to make or to press in, I guess, from what I've heard. I'm gonna go back in with that enhancement shade. What is it? No, definer shade right here, the third shade, the third matte shade, and I'm gonna go right back in. So y'all, you have to really play with these palettes. And you see, this brush is much denser, so it's going to pick up a little bit more product and it's going to lay it differently. That is like the trick, I feel like, to a shadow that won't show up. You gotta have different brushes and apply them. It was hard working at that counter sometimes. I'm just like, okay, well, what can I wear? I remember another one of my old co-workers, she's about the same complexion as me, maybe a tad bit more chocolate than me. And she just like, I remember my manager telling me, like, she was like, she didn't know if this was gonna show up on her. So, yeah, you gotta really work. And I'm just adding that shade, and I'm actually gonna poke it out, drag it out a little like that. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and just blend. Ah, did I get some of my hair? No, ma'am. And this is how Exagger is. I'm gonna turn my light down too so you guys can see it better. And with the waterline, I'm going to use her powder pencil. I believe this is Sophia. The name has scratched off, girl. I'm so sorry. But I'm going to be applying that pencil right in the waterline. I want to go on top of the waterline with the pencil. I believe this is Barberella Brown.
Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love. You was too busy popping bottles with.
I'm gonna take this Morphe pencil. It's dirty. That's okay. Just gonna smudge this out. I'm gonna go at the bottom of our lash line. Wait, let's prep our lashes. So Charlotte did not used to have false lashes. She used to just do mascara, but I'm gonna do lashes, so that's one of the reasons why I just used to do it without. And I don't feel like putting on lashes all the time. But yeah, Charlotte used to do it that way. Something like really wispy. I wouldn't use the ones that I'm using now, but I would do something really wispy. Okay, so while our lashes are drying, we're going to just add our lippy. We're going to be doing Charlotte's Penelope Pink. It's like, you know, Charlotte Nude, Yellowy Nude. Doing Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk and Intense 3. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate. So pretty. Fenty has some of the best glosses, y'all. I'm telling y'all, you won't be disappointed. At first I wasn't feeling this lip pencil, but it grew on me. It's most definitely creamy, most definitely waterproof as well. Then we're using the lip color Penelope Pink. I need a gloss, but I love gloss. So this is really pretty just by itself. Nice little nude. And our hot chocolate gloss. Oh, these, look at that. So pretty. Now let's apply our lashes, Lilly lashes in the shade or style Houston. Y'all, that's fancy gloss. A fancy gloss is the bomb, okay? All right, guys, so this is the look. This is Exagger Eyes by Charlotte Tilbury. All of Charlotte products, like her palettes, are very subtle, and especially on us darker skinned people. So if you like that subtle look, but with like a little pop, Charlotte is the way for you. And this is the Exagger Eyes 4-step palette, and you just literally just pop on the top, and I just added some lashes. They're still drying. If you see white, sorry. But yeah, that's it for this video. We just did the eyes, and the whole face is Charlotte. Everything will be linked down below, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also click the bell for notifications. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to be uploading more videos this week. We'll be doing more Charlotte. I think my next video is going to be pillow talk, but it probably won't be posted until like some weeks from now. I'm going to be posting some other videos. Now, they're not going to be Charlotte, but of course this channel will always have Charlotte makeup. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up, nice saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce, get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud, don't fuck.